It's been 10 days since I got into this TikTok's new program, Creativity Program Beta. So let's look at the update. Let's see how much money I'm making from this program, and is it really better than the Creator Fund? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, so let's jump right into this. So I'm in my dashboard, Creativity Program Beta. I got invitation to this a few weeks ago. It's about 10 days so far. And here's how much I've made, $6.93. Obviously not a lot. So I don't get a lot of views on this account, and I haven't been posting much either. But there's some really interesting things that I'm seeing. And I think if you are creating content on TikTok and you rely on video views to generate some revenue, some income, there's some potential here. There's some good news for you. Although I always say, do not just depend on platforms, income, creator funds, or ad revenues as your primary source of income. It's good to have that as a cherry on top, but you want to be careful because things can change. But here's let's look at some of these numbers. So I've made $6.93. That's my estimated rewards. What's qualified views? I've had 13,000 views. So that's not a lot of views, right? But what's a qualified view? When you click here, you're gonna notice the qualified views are at least 1,000 unique views and the watch time of at least 5 seconds. So people have to watch your video for at least 5 seconds for it to count as a monetizable, or they call it qualified view. So keep that in mind. And now here is the most encouraging thing I think for content creators on TikTok: the RPM of 51 cents. I believe when I did the video third day into the program, my RPM was 53 cents, and now it dropped down to 51. But that's pretty good because on YouTube, the RPM is like 2 cents or 3 cents, or sometimes like 1 cent. So this is really, really encouraging for content creators, because if you keep creating content on YouTube, or sorry, on TikTok, you can make money because the RPMs are so much better than the creator funds and also the YouTube. Now here's obviously my rewards. They went up and down. Now what's really interesting is, so this is the video that got into, and most of my money actually came from this video, but this is also older video. $6.39 came from it, but now I'm beginning to see other videos also make money or rewards. So here are other videos. I think when I made this video before, third day after I got into the program, only one video was making money, but now it looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4 videos are making money. Now obviously you're probably thinking, how do you get into this program? So in my case, I got the invitation when I logged into my TikTok account, but here is the requirement. So let me position this. So you got to be in the US. So right now you got to be in the US, 18 years and older, and at least 10,000 followers. So on your account, you need to have 10,000 followers or more, and then 100,000 views in last 30 days. So in last 30 days, you got to have 100,000 views. Now, one other thing, you only make money. You can post any video length you want, but you only make money if you are making videos that are longer than 1 minute. So that's another sign. The RPMs are good, but the other sign is TikTok is shifting towards longer duration of video. So no longer they want you to make 5-second or 6-second video. Actually, I've noticed that on my account, a lot of my accounts, longer videos, the videos that are longer than 1 minute, even the accounts that I don't have this program on, they are performing much better. So longer videos are performing much better, much more views, even on the accounts that are not in the Creativity Program Beta fund or this program. So that tells me TikTok wants us to make longer videos. Now, if you have any questions about TikTok Creativity Program Beta or monetization in general on TikTok, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.